Hello and welcome back to Subaru. Today we'll be replacing the Cobb short throw shifter with a Kartboy short throw shifter. Let's get started. This is the Kartboy short throw shifter and Torque Solutions pivot bushings. These will fit all 2002 to 2007 Subaru WRX 5-speed manual transmissions. For today's upgrade, you'll need a 12mm wrench, a 12mm socket, a trim removal tool, a hammer, and some grease. Now let's jack up the car. Just kidding. We don't need to get under the car for this mod. We will start by taking off the shift knob. Just spin it till it comes off. Where is it?
What?
My tool? Take your trim removal tool and pop up the trim. Place the trim to the side. Take your 12mm wrench, take your 12mm socket, and remove the nut and bolt holding the shifter to the OEM shifter rod, shaft, linkage, whatever it's called. Twist the shifter around and then push it down as if it were in 4th gear. Keep pushing until it pops out. Pops right out. Now we can install the Kartboy short throw shifter. Grease the ball end of the short throw shifter and position it directly above the snap ring and then hammer it down into place. I swear this method works. There it goes. With the shifter in place, we can now install the Torque Solutions shifter bushings. These bushings are made of Durlin, so they're low friction, so we won't need to add any grease. Tighten the 12mm nut and bolt just tight enough. It should be torqued down to about 8 foot-pounds. Everything is installed. Let's put the shift boot back on and twist the shift knob back into place. A short throw shifter raises the stock pivot point, which causes a shorter shift throw while allowing the transmission throw to still stay the same. Shortening the height above the Fulcrum will shorten the shift throw as well. All that so we can shift through all the gears faster. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. I'll see you in the next install. Bye!